Hello and welcome to Michael's Casual Gaming and Tech channel. This time, we're going to set up a network-attached storage or NAS appliance. One question I hope to answer is, which is better, building or buying? As it turns out, buying was the better option than building for my use case. However, I will show you how I attempted to DIY a NAS first. Please note that this video is not sponsored by anyone but myself. All items were purchased with my own money. First, the DIY option. I have a Supermicro ITX server motherboard, 32 gigs of RAM, two 118 gigabyte cache SSDs, one 58 gig boot SSD, a Johnsbow N2 case, and finally 5 4 terabyte NAS drives for storage. Let's build. Now that it's all together, all that's left is setting up the software. I won't show that in this video since it'll make it too long. Because it is a purpose-built device, the QNAP QTS software makes it easy to set up the RAID and add cache disks. Other manufacturers likely had the same ease of use built in as well. As a bonus, I was able to upgrade the NAS to 10 gigabit networking because of its included expansion slot, though I did have to break out the pliers and an off-brand Dremel tool to make the card fit properly. With all that done, I'm able to transfer files at upwards of 600 megabytes per second. Not bad for a home user-focused device. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.